Hey everyone, this is Vivica Von Rosen, Chief Visibility Officer with LinkedIn. It's the end of my day, but I wanted to make sure y'all knew about the Kudos feature. Why? Because, well, it's a nice thing to do, but also because LinkedIn likes it in the algorithm. And so updates with Kudos in them tend to get more visibility. So what is this Kudos thing I'm talking to you about? Well, it's a feature that's available both on the mobile app and on your desktop. You might think you don't have it because I look here and go, Vivica, I don't have that. It just says write an article, images, and video. What you have to do is click inside this area first. And then as soon as you do that, you might see this little ribbon. That is the Kudos feature. So now all I'm going to do is click on Give Kudos. I'm going to find a colleague that I work with. There we go. Yvonne's name there. And so now I want to recognize my colleague. All right, awesome. Yes, I do. And then I'm going to pick an image. Oh, they've got new images. They were a little they were a little old there for a while. So now I'm going to go in. I'm going to pick an image. I'm going to go ahead and pick donuts and bagels because who doesn't like a good donut and bagel? And then I'm going to customize this. So I'm just going to say something like, just wanted to give some for everything she does. Now, of course, I can do more than one person as well. So if I wanted to tag a few more folks, and then if I want to add my company, and then what you'll do, if you want to add some more hashtags, you can do that. You can also add links. All right, and then you just post it. So pretty easy. Again, you just click within the updates box. Once you've gone inside the updates box, you click on Kudos. That's that little ribbon, and this is it does the exact same thing on mobile. You find your colleagues. And it says colleagues, but it could be a speaker that you saw at an event. It could be a client of yours. It could be a vendor. It could definitely be a colleague. It's really anyone that you engage with on LinkedIn. Then you choose what image you like, customize the content, and post it. There you are. Kudos, done. Like I said, you'll get a little bit more visibility for these, and it's just a nice thing to do. So check out Kudos and send one if you haven't done it yet. Thanks, everybody. Vivica Von Rosen, Chief Visibility Officer with Vengresso.